Clients who come to the SBDC might be surprised by the lived experience that SBDC consultants have. Across our network, we have people who have owned businesses, so people who have walked in the shoes of our clients.
We have really high quality consultants, training programs, materials for them, and it's amazing for them that we are providing for no cost.
We are hosted at a variety of universities throughout the Commonwealth, so not only do you have the full-time staff to help you, there's a lot of great graduate students that are working towards their career, their degree in the field, so they're there to also provide that guidance and those services that, maybe we aren't subject matter experts in, but we have a variety of students that can assist you along the way.